Hello everyone, welcome to lecture 18 of the ISC2 Certified in Cybersecurity Examination Preparation Series. This lecture covers virtualization, cloud and distributed computing in details. Virtualization. It introduces new standards, basic best practices and security concerns. They host multiple servers on the same hardware platform, software layer running under the OS and above the hardware. Internal client traffic does not traverse the network. Common virtualization softwares are VMware, Hyper-V, Xen. Benefits and types of virtualization. Benefits of virtualization. It is cost-effective compared to physical servers, rapid deployment of new servers, simplified backup and restoration with snapshots, flexible resource allocation, reduced power, cooling costs, and physical footprint. Types of hypervisors. Type 1. Bare metal. Runs directly on the host hardware, data centers. Type 2. Runs on top of an existing OS, personal computers. Virtualization security concerns. Security concerns. Virtual environments can introduce new vulnerabilities. Clients on the same host should be on the same network segment. Logical network separation similar to physical servers. VM escape. Attackers jumping from one client to another. Hypervisor security. Access to hypervisor can compromise clients. Resource exhaustion. Oversubscription of CPU memory leading to availability issues. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is outsourcing IT infrastructure, storage, and applications. It has cost-related benefits. Types of cloud computing. Private cloud. It is owned and operated by the organization. Public cloud. It is shared infrastructure like AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud. Hybrid cloud. Mix of private and public cloud. Community cloud. Shared by a specific community with common concerns. Cloud service models. Cloud service models includes IaaS, infrastructure as a service. Here, the vendor provides infrastructure up to the OS. PaaS, platform as a service. The vendor provides pre-configured OS, customer adds applications. SaaS, or software as a service. Vendor provides OS and applications, and user interacts with the software. For example, Gmail, Office 365, Dropbox. Cloud computing security. Security in cloud computing. It assures the right to audit, pen test, and conduct vulnerability assessments. It verifies vendor compliance with industry standards and security requirements. Distributed Systems Overview. Distributed systems, also known as DCE, concurrent computing, parallel computing, collection of individual systems working together to support resources or services. It appears as a single entity to end users. Benefits of distributed systems. Some of the benefits include horizontal scaling, modular growth, fault tolerance, cost effectiveness, low latency. Common in internet, websites, cell networks, research, P2P networks, blockchain. High performance and edge computing. High performance computing. It aggregates compute nodes for complex calculations or data manipulations, comprises compute, network, and storage components. Notable examples are supercomputers. Edge computing. They process data close to where it is needed, optimizes bandwidth use, reduces latency. Common example, content delivery networks like CDNs, widely implemented in large enterprises. The Internet of Things (IoT). The IoT encompasses smart devices like TVs, thermostats, light bulbs, cars, devices connecting to the Internet. Security concern. Many IoT devices lack regular patching. Conclusion. In this lecture, we discussed virtualization benefits, types, and security. We covered cloud computing types, service models, and security. We explored distributed systems, HPC, edge computing, and IoT. This is the end of this lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.